Good news for teetotalers in Assam. Good news for tea garden owners in Gateway to the Northeast. Tocklai Tea Research Institute burns the midnight oil. Tea Research Institute at Jorhat curates innovation. Groundbreaking biological approach for tea cultivation. Amid emerging challenges, Tocklai Tea Research Institute think tank in thick of action. Sustainability being the buzzword, Assam Tea shows the way. Even as the gateway to the Northeast in Assam boasts of a rich tea legacy, turning the pages of history to the delight of teetotalers in the state and elsewhere, the Tocklai Tea Research Institute or TTRI in Jorhat district of the state has initiated a groundbreaking biological approach to manage pest infestations in tea gardens. The Tocklai Tea Research Institute in Jorhat district of Assam has amped up efforts in streamlining the tea cultivation and production process by breeding and deploying redovid bugs. Even as the buzzword globally is sustainability, the efforts undertaken entails the resourceful deployment of the native carnivorous insects in Assam, which are redovid bugs. This innovative method aims to provide a sustainable and eco-friendly solution to the pest management challenges faced by tea gardens. In this regard, Azaria Babu, Director of TTRI, in the wake of this latest deployment of redovid bugs, stated that the work is primarily part of biological control management. The TTRI director said that they are involved in the mass rearing of natural organic enemies which are beneficial insects in the lap and cycle of nature that prey on harmful pests which pose a threat to the tea cultivation and tea production process.
It's basically a part of work of biological control activities of tea pest management. This is basically we are mass rearing the natural enemies. Natural enemy means it's a beneficial insect. This insect eats some harmful insect like pest. We have collected this insect from the ecosystem of Assam and we develop the technology how to rear it in the laboratory condition. So this technology more or less standardized and we have released some insect to the commercial garden and we are waiting to see the effect of that. So side by side we can help tea garden to giving a training to their educated workers, those who have a basically HS degree along with some knowledge and interest, basically interest in this type of works, they can come to Tocklai. They can take training how to rear it. It's a very easy technique, but it requires patience. If some people, some garden, they put some people here, they can come here, they can took training and they can mass rear this insect in their garden itself and they can release in the field.
The Jorhat-based Tea Institute, which has been in the thick of action as far as tea research and innovation is anything to go by, has developed technology to rear these beneficial insects under laboratory conditions, which will be then released into commercial tea gardens. Worth mentioning here that the project also includes training and upskilling tea garden workers in the rearing of these niche species of insects, enabling them to mass rear and release them into their plantations. However, amid this positive news for teetotalers in Assam and elsewhere in the northeast and the rest of the nation, the Jorhat-based institute has encountered an emerging challenge with the Redovid bug's inability to survive in pesticide-laden environments. In a bid to address this emerging challenge, the Jorhat-based institute is brainstorming on testing and developing pesticide-tolerant Redovid bugs in the second phase of the groundbreaking project. Newsdesk report, Any News.